Hello everyone, it's Melissa and I am here. I'm stopping in quick actually because I just want to share the part 2 of my spring break vacation. Now, if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I have faced facts with myself, and I know that I cannot do a layout for every picture that I take. So pocket page scrapbooking is the way I go. Like, that little process invented was meant for me, people like me, and I mean all others alike, but I love it. So I am going to show you in my album here, my family album. Now, I did already share some of these photos, probably not all of them, but some of them in my project life for April. So this is a layout that you will have seen on a video previously, but I will try to remember to link it up here. But anyway, so this is an 8.5 by 11 layout, and this is just like I normally like to do, an intro into any event, vacation, whatever. I do typically like to do one layout, and this is it. So there is a process video for this, but so this is the intro to that. And then in this next, going right into this next, so this will sit right here in my album. This is actually a design A, and it is from Becky Higgins. And like I do almost all of my like vacations and you know, any type of, I just did it for my visit here with Shelly, but I just always cut the cardstock to have everything kind of cohesive on here. So I'll go ahead and do, you know, there's not a process video for this, but I'll do a walkthrough quick of this. So to start with, I have a postcard that I purchased from the island that we go to, and I just used a clip here and roughed up the edges and just glued it on there. This is the sunset, and I stamped Totally, which is from a basic gray stamp set. And any of the product here, I will do my best to just, you know, talk about it. But if you have any specific questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is old. So this sun is a brad that I just picked up from Novi from the Scrapbook Expos, so I'm excited to get that in there. And I just nestled it right under, you know, right in the Y there, and added some hearts for my stash. And Picture Perfect is a piece of chipboard, and a lot of this is from Freckled Fawn, and I don't even know where else, but okay. And then this one, this is an Anchor. This is another brad. We are on the boat, and these are some Allie Edwards phrase stickers, and I just put it here and to document pop. And Hello Sun, that's from Allie Edwards from the Stories by the Month. And then this one is a cut apart. I don't know where it's from, I'm sorry, but I loved the gradients on it for the rainbow, so it reminded me of kind of a sunset as well. Good Times, this is an Allie Edwards printable, and I just cut it out and stapled it on there. Some kiddos. So Much Love for This is an Allie Edwards phrase sticker. And It's Time to Party, that is from Your Next Stamp. It's a golf stamp, and yeah. And the next one, Good Vibes, is from an Allie Edwards phrase sticker, and this piece of chipboard is from Allie Edwards as well. This is a golf club and a golf ball sticker, epoxy sticker, just from like a Jolie's, and Fun are just some alpha stickers. And You're My Sunshine is probably from Freckled Fawn. Fun Looks Like, this is from probably Allie Edwards, and I just put a photo in here. This is a Simple Stories frame, chipboard frame, and I just cut off the one side. And So Awesome is from Ellie Studio. It's one of their puffy stickers. Okay, so that's that. And okay, so the back side, Collect Moments Not Things, that's from Simple Stories. This is another piece of chipboard, I Wish This Could Last Forever. The love word is from Vicky Booten. It's a piece of paper. I did the heart here from Lawn Fawn, and us are just some alpha stickers. Pictures, or it didn't happen, that's from a Snap travel collection, and I just added a heart with some glossy accents on it. Wet n Wild, that is from a summer collection. I'm not exactly sure, but if you're interested, let me know. I'll try to link it. And then some more chipboard words. This is from Allie Edwards, Stories by the Month. More chipboard words. Yummy Delicious, oh yeah, favorite. It's our restaurant we like. You Do You, that's from Allie Edwards. And Pool Day, Soak Up the Sun. I want to say that's from Allie Edwards as well. This is an Allie Edwards Story by the Month. And just the four of us, our last day. Hit the Road, that's a cut apart, but I'm not exactly sure from where. And then I went into just a basic, plain grid Project Life card. I used a marker and did a line here. Home Sweet Home is from Allie Edwards Story by the Month. These are some old puffy stickers. Some are from Michaels and Amy Tan. And then this is some old basic gray washi stickers, strips. Okay, so that's just a quick look into what is going to sit in my album to follow up with from my vacation road trip. And that'll just sit here, and then I will go on to other layouts. I'm not sure what's next, but I'm gonna guess my anniversary because that was April 11th and I came home on the 7th. So stay tuned, you guys. I would love for you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my other social media sites. I'll put those in the description box of Facebook and Instagram at Cut It Up Creations. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I'll be back soon. Bye.